I can't see anything. There. Okay. I got some more. Just look at that. Guys.
What is this, Bree?
My own Aurora dress.
Yeah.
Daddy. Daddy.
It's beautiful, Brianna.
I can't buy Barbie dress, but there's not Barbies anywhere.
Well, I thought you asked for the set, not for the Barbies.
I'm sorry, I can buy my princess set.
Perfect. Your princesses would love to go in the Camp Out Barbie set.
Well, so what'd Santa give you, Bree?
A Minnie Mouse set I wanted.
What else?
I can't buy Barbie set.
Does that make you happy?
Oh.
Right, princess.